65 million years ago, the Earth was home to the most extraordinary creatures to ever walk the planet, the dinosaurs. Towering giants that ruled the land, swift hunters that dominated the skies, and colossal marine reptiles that conquered the seas. But then, in what seemed like the blink of an eye in Earth's long history, they vanished. Was it an asteroid from the depths of space, bringing devastation in a fiery instant? Massive volcanic eruptions, poisoning the atmosphere, or something even more mysterious? For over 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled every corner of this planet, adapting, thriving, and evolving into powerful beings that became masters of their environment. Then, something happened that changed everything. What could have triggered such a massive extinction? Today, we're uncovering the secrets, exploring the evidence, and bringing you face to face with the forces that shaped the very course of life on Earth. Our first theory takes us to a single catastrophic moment, 65 million years ago. A moment that forever altered the course of Earth's history. Scientists believe a massive asteroid, estimated to be around 10 kilometers wide, struck Earth with a force equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. The asteroid hit the Yucatan Peninsula in what is now Mexico, leaving behind the 180-kilometer-wide Chicxulub crater. The impact was so intense that it triggered massive earthquakes, tsunamis hundreds of feet high, and wildfires that raged across the continents. But the destruction didn't stop there. Dust and particles filled the atmosphere, blocking out the sun for months, maybe even years, creating what scientists call an impact winter. With sunlight cut off, temperatures plummeted, plants could no longer perform photosynthesis, and the food chain collapsed. Plants withered and died, followed by the plant-eating dinosaurs, and eventually the mighty predators who depended on them. This chain reaction wiped out roughly 75% of all species on Earth. Could one impact really have brought the age of dinosaurs to an end? Or was there something else at play? As we explore further, another possibility emerges: a series of violent volcanic eruptions. Around the same time as the Chicxulub impact, in what is now India, a region known as the Deccan Traps was experiencing one of the most massive volcanic events in history. These eruptions released colossal amounts of lava and toxic gases, especially sulfur dioxide, which filled the atmosphere. Sulfur dioxide caused acid rain and reflected sunlight away from the Earth, potentially leading to global cooling. Imagine a world where the air is thick with ash, temperatures are plummeting, and acid rain burns through the forests. Plants struggled to survive, herbivores had little to eat, and the delicate balance of life began to crumble. Some scientists believe these volcanic eruptions alone could have triggered a volcanic winter, a period of drastic climate change that decimated ecosystems. Could this environmental chaos have pushed the dinosaurs to extinction even without an asteroid impact? But what if it wasn't one event, but rather a combination of catastrophic events that led to the dinosaurs' downfall? Some scientists argue that the asteroid impact and the volcanic eruptions happened so close together that their effects compounded, creating a perfect storm. The asteroid might have struck just as volcanic activity was reaching its peak, amplifying the environmental chaos. Imagine global temperatures seesawing, toxic gases filling the air, acid rain pouring down, and sunlight blocked out almost entirely. This would have created an uninhabitable environment for most life forms. If the dinosaurs had to face both an impact winter and a volcanic winter, survival would have been nearly impossible. This combined disaster theory explains why so many species vanished at once, leaving a barren world behind. But here's the twist. Even in this hellish aftermath, life found a way to endure. Some small warm-blooded creatures, A few reptiles, insects, and most remarkably, tiny mammals managed to survive. These survivors thrived in the harsh conditions left behind, using their adaptability and small size to outlast the giants of the past. As they evolved and diversified, they laid the foundation for new ecosystems, and eventually the rise of mammals, including us. The extinction of the dinosaurs, tragic as it was, opened the door for our own ancestors to one day inherit the Earth. And perhaps the most astonishing discovery of all, dinosaurs never truly vanished. Their descendants are still with us today in the form of birds. Every time we see a bird soar across the sky, we're witnessing the legacy of the dinosaurs, living on in a new form. So, what do you think truly caused their extinction? Was it a meteor, volcanic chaos, or a combination of both? Let us know in the comments. Next time, we're venturing into some untold truth about Mount Everest. Subscribe to find out.